Hello friends, do you know how big is the Indian dairy industry? Well, India has the highest milking animal herd strength of 300 million, producing 187 million tons of milk every year. Out of this 187 million tons of milk produced, 55% is marketable surplus. This marketable surplus milk goes to two sectors. One is organized sector and other is unorganized sector. The organized sector means the dairy processor or the milk processors such as Amul, Nestle, Chitle, Mother Dairy, Heritage, Hudson and many more. The unorganized sector is your Dudwala at your doorstep, the roadside milk vendors, milk that goes for manufacturing of sweets, milk that goes to sweet stall and various activities. The organized sector contributes only 18 to 20% of milk, which is marketable surplus, which they collect from different sources, different collection points located in and around their processing plant, and process it to liquid milk and various milk products which they sold for us to consume. Milk is highly perishable. The life of milk is maximum 4 hours after it comes out of the udder of animal. To protect the life and to protect the quality of milk, milk has to be chilled up to 4 degrees centigrade as soon as possible after milking or after collecting at the collection center. That is the major challenge for the organized sectors, to go beyond the limit and collect milks from far off their central processing plant. At present, the technology that is most adopted by the dairy processors are the bulk milk cooler, popularly known as BMC, which is a milk tank associated with refrigeration section which holds the milk and chills the milk up to 4 degrees centigrade, and also this stores the milk till it is being lifted by the dairy processor. Now imagine if 20% of milk, 187 tons of milk is coming to organized sector, and dairy processor need to be cautious to maintain its life. They need to install number of bulk milk coolers. Then the requirement in the bulk milk coolers in the dairy sector is around 70,000 plus. Plus there will be addition in every year as the milk production has to increase by 6 to 7 million tons as indicated by NDDB, the nodal agency for Government of India. So a huge manpower requirement is there, both technical and non-technical, to handle this BMC industry. On the technical side, persons required for trial and testing at the factory side, installation and commissioning, annual maintenance contracts, schedule maintenance, breakdown calls and so on. On non-technical side, people requires for sales and marketing, administration, route selections, establishment of VLCC, that is village level collection centers, etc. So this is what is the market size for the career growth of a person who is interested to enter into this field of BMC. If you are a technical person having IIT diploma or degree engineer with mechanical, refrigeration, air conditioning or electrical as your specialization, you can enter into the BMC field very easily. You need little bit training for that. The basic 3 aspects of the training is the operation, maintenance and cleaning of the BMC. If you are interested for getting more information, more knowledge on this CMC, that is cleaning, maintenance and operation of bulk coolers, do contact me on 9167700476. This is my WhatsApp number, or you can write to me on trainerprakash.com@gmail.com. Thank you.